Hello, good evening, students. Let's try to understand the common ion effect from the Maharashtra book, students, grade 12. So, dear students, when you talk about the common ion effect, the term itself is the common and ion. Okay, so effect of the presence of common ion, that is what common ion effect. So, consider a solution of weak acid, what is their acetic acid, student, and its soluble ionic salt CH3COONA. This is there. Two things are you are considering, student. That is firstly weak acid. So weak acid is what is there, student, CH3COOH, and its soluble ionic salt you are ionic salt you are considering, that is ionic salt. So what is there, student? CH3COONA is there, right? So acetic acid is weak acid, dissociate only slightly in solution. They are saying acetic acid is weak acid, dissociate only slightly in solution. So it's slightly getting dissociate in solution, students. Okay, so you see it is very less dissociate in acetate ion and H plus ion. Now sodium acetate being a strong electrolyte dissociate almost completely. So this is completely getting dissociate. Okay, now what you can find out here, you see this is the common ion are there, acetate ion are common. So here point, both the acid and the salt produces acetate ions. No, sodium acetate dissociate completely, therefore it provides the high concentration of acetate ion. According to Le-Chatelier principle, the addition of acetate from the sodium acetate to the solution, acetic acid shift equilibrium dissociation to the left. Thus, the reaction is favored in which, that is CH3COO combine to form unionized acetic acid. Hence, dissociation of acetic acid is supplied due to presence of sodium acetate containing common acetate ion. So, what the point is, students? You try. Let's have a look. See, CH3COOH. This is what is known as, student, that is the acetic acid, right? And this is getting dissociate, student. So it is forming CH3COO minus plus it is giving H plus, right? So no, this is the weak acid, student. Okay, this is the very less. Here is very less. Okay, very less. Now you see in the same solution what is there, student? Sodium acetate is there, and it is the what is it is going to ionize, student, completely ionize, student, plus Na plus. So it is very high, very high. Now you see in the product side what you are finding, that is common ion is there, common ion. So common ion is there, so concentration in product side is high. So this cannot be reversed, student. This cannot be reversed because completely dissociating. So this is going to reverse. So its ionization of weak acid is getting decreased because equilibrium is shifting backward direction. This is what is something known at what, student, that is common ion effect, dear students. Okay, this is what is known as common ion effect, right, student? So here you can read out the formula. The common ion effect states that the ionization of weak electrolyte is suppressed in presence of a strong electrolyte containing an ion common to the weak electrolyte, is what is known as, student, common ion effect. So thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment, students. Thank you, students.